Hello students, good morning everybody. Today's video, this is a continuation on that is operation on algebraic expression. Today we will just learn that is a division of different process of the algebraic expression. See here, the first one is this the division of monomials by a monomial. You know everybody monomial. So here this is one algebraic expression which is actually monomial, this is also monomial. Here actually we have to just do the simplest form of that is the coefficient of this variable first. That is 24 x square y cube divided by 3 xy means 24, this is the coefficient of this part and this part 24 and this is 3 is 8, it has come 8. And with the help of this exponent you could know that is a divide, that is x equal to 2 minus 1, this power is 1, and y equal to 3, y to the power 3 minus 1, this is power 1. This will be whenever it is divided as per that is the exponent, we know that is the power will be deducted. So here it has come 8xy square. Now the second condition is actually division of polynomial by a monomial. Suppose this is a polynomial 8x square y square minus 6xy square plus 10x square y cube divided by this is one monomial 2xy. So here we are just separating this each term, that is this monomial is divided by this this polynomial is divided by this monomial with their separate, we are just doing the separation of these monomials. Here what will be this, see, it is just separated to this term by 2xy, this term by 2xy, this is actually if you are just doing the LCM, it will be coming. So we can write it down like this. Now once again this is actually monomial to monomial, we have already learned over here that is 4, it has come 4x, it will be divided 2 minus 1 that is x, 2 minus 1 equal to y, this is 4xy. In this way this is 3 and this part is x is cutted off and y2 minus y1 equal to only y, 3y. And in this way this is 5, this 5 has come, then it is coming x and this is y cube by y equal to y square. Now this can be, I am just taking another example over here with the help of minus, then what you will do, just separate this with the same process, that is each term, just separate this with minus 2x square, that is separated all the, that is the the terms of this polynomial. Then it is coming, see, this is 6, so it is coming minus 6 x4 minus x to the 4 minus 2, that is 2, that is minus 6x square. This is plus into minus, it will be minus. Then this is cutted off, this is 4. The numerical part is 4 and this x cube 3 minus 2, that is x. And this is plus into minus into minus, it will be coming plus, and this is coming 3 x square is cutted off, this is coming only 3. Now next one is division of a polynomial by a polynomial. This is very important. There are some certain steps are there, you have to just, this is a long process how to just find it out. There are two processes also just to see. This is the first process is actually by the long division method. In this method you have to do what is actually, this is the divisor, this is actually the dividend. So the rule is the first term of this divisor, first term of the dividend is to be divided by the first term of the divisor. First term of this is x square divided by x. What has come? There is x. Just put this in the quotient x. And this x, it will be multiplied the whole divisor. That is, it is actually coming 7x plus x square. And just put this 7x plus x square here. That is the, whenever you are just arranging all these things, no, you have to arrange this, that is a polynomial, in the order of the that is the order from the descending order. That is the power of the variable will be in the descending order. So it is coming x square by 7x, this is the same, that is the like term over here. Now do the subtraction over here. So x square minus x square is cutted off and this is coming 5x. Just take this 35 over here. So next is 5x, this is the first term of this of the dividend and the first term of the divisor, it will be just divided once again. This is coming fast, plus 5. So just put this in plus 5 in the quotient. And this plus 5, it will be multiplied with this that a divisor, that is 5x plus 35. That 5x plus 35 has come. That is, you are just doing the deduction over here and then it will be cutted off and your remainder is 0 and your answer is, quotient is this. So I am just taking another problem of this same kind, that is, I am just taking now the trinomial with some polynomial. It is tetranomial, you just say, or this is the pentaterms over here. So here, this is first term is x to the power 4. Here divisor first term is x square. Then just to divide this one, it has come x square. Put this x square over here and multiply this x square the whole term. Then it will be coming x square. It is coming x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square. So now just deduct it from this one. So this sign will be fully reversed. This is plus, this is minus, it will be plus and minus. Then it has come minus 3x cube. This is plus x square. And then the remaining of over here have come. Now once again, this is the first term, 3x cube by x square once again. So it has come minus 3x. Put this here minus 3x. And this minus 3x into this one, that is minus 3x cube minus 3x square and minus 3x. And this is, deduct this over here, that is subtract from this to this, it will be, sign will be changed. This is actually now the sign will be just converted this one. So it has, this is cutted off and this has come 4x square plus 4x plus 4. Now once again, this is the first term of this dividend and first term of the divisor is x square. 4x square by x square, it gets plus 4. Just put this plus 4 over here. Multiply this plus 4 and this term, this will be 4x square plus 4x plus 4. And if you are just deducting this one, this, all these things are gone. That is the, your remainder is 0 and the quotient is this. This is the quotient. Now this is another method how to just do this. This divide any polynomial by a polynomial by factorization method. See here we are just doing the long division method. You can just do this in a factorization method also if it is possible and just is coming very easily. See here I have just taken two terms over two polynomials over here. 15x square plus x minus 6 divided by 3x plus 2. So do this middle term distribution and just try to just do the factor of this polynomial. See here 15 into 6, it will be 90. 90 can be divided into 10 plus minus 9. So it has come x. So from this one only 5x just common, 3x, this is 3x plus 2, minus 3 is common, 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 if it is common, then 5x minus 3. So this part is converted into this product of these two parts. Now this is divided by 3x plus 2, so it will be just cut it off. The remaining it will be 5x minus 3. See, this is actually another method how to just find out the division of the polynomial by a polynomial. You the different process just to divide any polynomial to polynomial, if it is polynomial to the monomial and monomial to monomial, and these are the actually the whole process to just to divide. So I do believe you can just solve all the problems.